Welcome, welcome, welcome to Afro-Caribbean Eats. Today we'll be making kelewele, also known as spicy fried plantains. We'll need, obviously, plantains to make this dish. Right, plantains are yellow and black on the outside. We'll also need a habanero pepper, some ginger, about half an onion, and some garlic cloves. We'll need some salt and a stone mortar. As you can see, we'll combine all the ingredients in the mortar, and then we'll use the pestle to grind it all together. If you don't have a mortar, you can use anything that you can, put some pounding on the ingredients. And the plantains, there's a way you want to cut them to prepare them to be fried for the kelewele. So you want to slice the plantains in half and set them on the side that the skin is facing down. And then you want to slice them down the middle where the seeds are and slice diagonally. You don't want to push too hard because you don't want the knife to penetrate the skin. We want the skin to stay intact, so it's easy to peel the pieces of plantain off later, as you will see. So gently press down and with the diagonal shape, and that's gonna help with the process of getting the pieces out of the skin there. So here you see we're putting the plantains in the mortar, and depending on the amount that you're making, you can use a larger bowl, because ultimately we want to just mix all the ingredients together. So here you see we're mixing the ingredients, making sure the seasoning is evenly distributed to all the pieces of plantain, and now we are ready to fry. So of course we need our hot oil ready to go, and as you can see the plantains sizzling, they are ready and the cooking process has begun. You want to make sure you evenly distribute the plantains. Make sure the surface area is making contact with the oil. And you want to stir occasionally and turn it over as the one side starts to brown. So in the end, your goal is to have crisp, golden brown plantains. And then by then you'll know you're done. So you just want to give it some time, maybe about 5 to 10 minutes to cook on the stove top. And here you have it. Your plantains are pretty much ready to go. Golden brown, looking good, yummy. And again, kelewele is a dish from Ghana. It's a Ghanaian dish. And we're ready to eat. We're getting excited. And of course, plantains have a tendency to, absorb a lot of oil. So you can feel free to use paper towel to squeeze out some of the oil in the plantain, just to reduce the fat content in the meal. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. We'll be posting more videos weekly of different Afro-Caribbean eats or different dishes that we like. We hope to see you again soon. And here we have our plantains garnished with shrimp. Good. I'm ready to eat. How about you? Let us know. Try this recipe at home. Let us know. Comment below. Let us know what you think. Have a great day.